even though the Rockets lost, my other team, my soccer team won.
What's going on, guys? Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of people have been asking me to do a full day of eating. What do I eat during my prep and stuff like that. So I figured why not just take you guys through what I eat on my low carb days, because that's what you want to see, how you maximize your macros and let it stretch out for a long period of time and not exhausting your carbohydrates, you know, before the end of your meal. So I'm going to show you exactly how I, go through that process. First off, first meal of the day, it's going to be this unblanched almond flour meal, and the macros are, I don't know if you can see it, 6 carbs, 10 fat, 5 protein. So I take about 2 servings of this, and that equates to 12 grams of carbohydrates and 10 grams of protein with 20 fat for the first meal. Since it's a low carb day, your fats are typically high, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna be having 4 jumbo whole eggs and about a cup of egg whites to increase my protein for the day. That being said, I'm gonna show you the finished product in 3, 2, 1. Second, cup of coffee, because why not? Because I'm Juju Mufu. Alright, breakfast is done. Unblanched almond flour, I made it into bread. 4 whole eggs and 3 pieces of turkey bacon. Okay, right there. Let me down this, and I'll see you at meal 2. Meal 2 will be a protein smoothie. Usually just eat this about 2 to 3 hours before I hit the gym. Nothing too crazy. Best protein on the market, True Fusion 5. Macros are 133 calories, 2 carbs and 29 protein. I usually pre-freeze my, well, not pre-freeze, I freeze my fruits, put them in this little Ziploc bags, strawberries and bananas. I already have the berries in there. It's easier for me to track that way, pre-measured and all that stuff.
Slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights?
Last meal of the day. I still have a lot of carbs, so I'm happy to do this because I usually save my carbs to the last meal so I can enjoy it and just go to bed a happy person, a happy man, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so last meal of the day I'm gonna have in 10 ounces of white rice and 8 ounces of grilled chicken breast, all sliced up and presented nicely. That's gonna conclude my macros for the day at about 140 carbs, 225 protein, and I think 95 fat, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna show you the finished product in a little bit. Just gotta microwave it, heat it up, and then just go enjoy watching the Barclays Premier League. And then I'm gonna go to bed and edit this video. It should be coming up tomorrow afternoon, mid-afternoon, 4 or 5-ish. And I'll see you guys later. Go some white rice, 2 ounces of white rice, 1 ounce of grilled chicken breast, and some red sauce on top.